Hello everyone, you were asking me to do more chicken recipes. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make confit chicken leg with celeriac and potato mash, celeriac chips and lettuce velouté at home. This recipe is super tasty and I totally recommend you to try it at home. So let's do it. The first thing I have to do is to cut the legs and marinate them with salt, thyme and garlic and leave them on the side for 30 minutes. Then I start with celeriac. I'm gonna peel it first and then do some slices with the peeler. The next step is to fry it in the hot oil, season it with salt and the celeriac chips are done. Now it's time to cover the chicken with oil and I'm gonna use the same oil from the chips as well and I'm gonna cook it slowly until chicken will be soft and I will be able to take the bones out. Next thing, I have to start with celeriac and potato mash. But first, I keep few nice dices for my garnish on the side for later, and then I chop the rest of the celeriac for my mash. Now I'm gonna need the same amount of potatoes, so I'm gonna peel them and chop them to the same size. Put everything inside the pot, cover it with water, season it with salt and cook it until everything will be soft. Now it's time to start with lettuce velouté. So I pick lettuce first and clean it properly. And then I'm gonna chop it roughly. Next thing I need for the velouté is parsley. So I'm gonna pick just the leaves and let's cook it. I start with vegetable oil and butter inside the pot, and then is coming in lettuce. I'm gonna season it with salt, pepper and dry oregano, and I'm gonna cook it slowly for few minutes. Then cover it with water and bring it to boil. The last thing is coming in parsley, and I'm gonna blend it properly inside the blender. Last minute, I put butter in, pass it through the chinois, and my lettuce velouté is done. At this time, our potatoes with celeriac cook enough, so I will pass it and then mix it with a hand blender. Also, put little bit of milk, butter and season it with salt and pepper. I see that I put little bit too much milk inside, so I will reduce it little bit and my mash will be ready. Now I'm gonna blanch celeriac dices in boiling water, and in meantime I'll take the meat out of the oil and also take out the bones. Pass my dices, and now I'm gonna give a nice color to both on the pan. And guys, if you like today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what would you like me to do next time so I can make it for you. The chicken looks amazing, so I am ready for plating. I start with celeriac and potato mash. And then put confit chicken leg on the top. Then is coming lettuce velouté around. Few celeriac dices. Celeriac chips. And finish it with parsley leaves. So what do you think, guys? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. And if you would like to learn more about fine dining cooking or get my personal one-on-one coaching, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.